country calendar. What a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Let's take the tractor for a ride. Anything that needs to be fixed? Anything at all? Let's take the trailer off. Now take the rolls off. Now let's park the trailer. Now let's take the stuff off. But first take off the bucket of forks. Now let's take the stuff off the back. Now, first we'll take the drill off. Now take the class mower off. Now let's put it in the shed. Now it's in the shed. Now let's put the tractor in the shed. Look at the clouds. Looks like there's going to be a thunderstorm. Bunny, run! Bounce. Ouch. Goodbye. Goodbye, Jade. Quack, quack. Oink. Oink, oink, oink. 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 I better feed the animals.
How's it going, boys? All right?
Now I'll get hay out the shed for the animals. Now, but first I need to get in, so I'll open up the gate. fresh hay in the shed to feed to the animals. I might run out of hay pretty quick this year. The pigs look happy. Now let's go feed horsies. Neigh, neigh! Here you go, horsies. Now I better go back and get another hay bale so I can feed the cows. Because I don't want them to go starving. Because I want to make them into meat. Now I'll grab another fresh bale. I might have to start mowing my grass early this year. Now I'll go to the cows. I hope they haven't died. There you go, cowsies. Eat up. Now I'll go put the tractor in the shed. That's another nice day's work done. Now I've got the tomorrow to do. But before I go into the shed, I better shut that gate so I don't drive on it. Gate's shut now. Now I can put the tractor to sleep. Good night. Looks like everyone's back. But where's Bunny? Must have hopped onto the bale. Good morning, farm. I better hook the rollers on so I can go to another farm and do some crop work. Now I better hook the trailer on and with the drill and the mower. See you soon, pigs. Horses and the cows and bunny and goat and duck. See you soon. For more about this program, go to tvnz.co.nz. Country Calendar.